Hi, this is production version of the 110 Pioggia shell. Really excited to be getting out in this. Very strange weather, it's very thundery yesterday, huge thunderstorm last night and continuing today, so unfortunately it's been too wet at some point to even film. It's more like a reenactment of the perfect storm by bike. Always really exciting and also scary to get final production of anything. Pioggia shell is a jacket and a vest we've worked on for a long time, feel very passionate about. It's very challenging, it's a product to ride in, it's not for going to the pub in, you can wear it to go to the pub. It's not for going down the road to the supermarket, it's for riding a bike in. And the important things there are breathability, absolutely maximised, weather protection, which is what the Pioggia shell's for, lightweight, and hopefully durability as well through the fabric choice and the construction. And fantastic to be wearing this, so using this fantastic event fabric, super lightweight, 3-layer with a polyester inner scrim, polyamide shell, with a DWR. You can see it here beading. DWR, of course, over time you can very cool tumble dry to just reactivate it, because it will flatten off eventually, especially if you're wearing a bag over the shoulders and just through wear, through being rolled in a pocket. I've actually got the vest in my pocket as well because I think the weather's going to be horrendous, but you see how we've cleverly used the event fabric. Minimal seams down the front, all hidden away when you're riding. Huge panel down the side as well, so there's no main seam. Then down the back of the jacket, then down the sleeves, this fantastic 4-part sleeve that's articulated with shape in it already, and then a shoulder with minimal seams across the front here, so no water entry because it's just continuous fabric. And then we're using this stretch membrane down the back, hopefully I'm not going to drown while I'm producing this, to give stretch and also to give visibility on a day like today when my LED lights just come on. Really important to be as visible as possible. We tie that into the collar with a gasket inside the collar, which is made of a material which won't absorb very much water, will dry very fast and give you a great fit around different base layers, a buff, whatever you're wearing underneath different jackets. And then these super bright stretchy collars as well, which are great on a day like today for signalling, just for visibility when we're on the bars on the front of the bike, just to add a little bit of extra visibility here. And in terms of performance, you know, for the person that's working on the product, it's always, as I say, scary and exciting. Today it's about 20 degrees when there's no rain, and then suddenly you've got freezing rain like just now, and it's down to sort of 10 or 12. So I've got knee and arm warmers on, even though, you know, theoretically it would be too warm for that. So that basically means that when I'm riding quite quick, I'm sweating a lot, and breathability is fantastic. So I'm not getting soaked from the inside, keeping the weather off, keeping me protected. So as the brief was, you know, as we wanted to do, was to make something really for riding in and for maximum protection, maximum breathability, and you know, as light as possible, something I can just chuck in a back pocket as I've done with the jacket and the vest. Wondering today if I'm actually going to see anyone else mad enough to get in this weather. So that's the Pioggia shell, waterproof zip down the front here, so no flaps needed on the back, no extra weight, no extra difficulty. Give the zip a little bit of time. You need to wear the jacket probably 2 or 3 rides. The zip, just because it's waterproof, will feel slightly sticky at first. Just be patient. Fantastic quality Swiss company that make these. And then we're into things like the adjustable collar here. So actually, because I've got a wide neck, I've only snapped it on one side, but you basically got fully open on one popper, 2 poppers down, depending on the layers you have underneath, tying in with this seal, this gasket here as well, to give you great fit around the neck, but also let you have a little bit of ventilation if you need it, without interfering with rock locks, with straps, with having buckles at the back, or cord grips, or any sort of elastication, and nothing that's going to fly up and hit you in the face if it's windy or it's cold. Just really simple, really light, just like the cuffs, just like the gasket inside. And then of course we have a drop tail as well. So we've got the first step here. I've got the tail drop right down at the moment, the reflectivity on the back, reflective tabs around the back here as well if I can find them. Yeah, for visibility, tying in with the fluoro yellow colour. So you can flip the tail up if you want, if you're just using it for sort of wind and shower protection, and when the weather goes full on like this, it'll pull the tail right down. Luckily today a bike with mud guards, so getting some protection from road spray. Fantastic on-road, off-road. Really excited to get the Pioggia shell production, and I hope you are when you get to try these products. Cheers!